Ethan, look around. This is it, your piece of the American soil. You've been living in that apartment at the Domain for 3 years. Every month you write a check for $2,200, and what do you have to show for it? A stack of receipts and a landlord who's getting richer while you stay stationary. That's $26,400 a year, Ethan. Over 3 years, you've handed over nearly $80,000 to someone else. You're literally funding his retirement. Why not fund yours? This house is $450,000 today. In Austin's market, with all the tech companies moving in, this will be a $600,000 asset before you know it. You're not just buying a home, you're buying a $150,000 profit. Do you want to be 50 and still asking a landlord for permission to hang a picture on the wall? Rust? That's just vintage character, my man. A little sandpaper, some paint, and you've got sweat equity instantly. Don't let a few cosmetic flakes stop you from building a legacy. If you don't buy now, the rates will go up, prices will jump, and you'll be locked in that rental cycle forever. Don't be the guy who missed out. Sign the papers and own your destiny.
I hear you, Chad, but the market feels shaky. And this house, the roof has visible rust. The driveway is cracking. It's not exactly move-in ready. Foundation cracks? $25,000? That's a lot of money to fix something I don't even officially own yet.
Math is silent, Chad. Ethan, let's look at your monthly statement. For a $450,000 house, after a 20% down payment, you take a $360,000 loan. At a 6.01% rate, your check to the bank is $2,161. But here is the catch. In the first decade, you aren't building equity. More than $1,800 of that monthly payment is pure interest. It goes straight to the bank's profit. It's unrecoverable. You might as well be lighting those $100 bills on fire. Now add the unrecoverable costs of 2026. Property taxes. Texas has no state income tax, so they take it from your house. 2% of $450,000 is $9,000 a year. That is $750 every month just for the right to stand on this soil. Maintenance. Labor is gold now. Set aside 1.5% or $560 a month. Insurance is another $260. And the silent killer, cost of capital. That $90,000 deposit, if it was in the S&P 500, it would earn you $525 a month. Total monthly cost, $4,256. You are burning an extra $2,000 a month just for the ego of having a key.
I hear you, Chad, but the market feels shaky. And this house, the roof has visible rust. The driveway is cracking. It's not exactly move-in ready. Foundation cracks? $25,000? That's a lot of money to fix something I don't even officially own yet. Wait, Buck, are you saying I'm paying twice my rent for an old house? That doesn't sound like the American dream at all.
But wait, Ethan. The math assumes the house stays in one piece. This is Austin. The soil here is heavy clay. In summer, it shrinks. In rain, it swells. It's a slow-motion earthquake for your foundation. Look at these cracks. That's a $25,000 repair bill. Look at the electrical panel. It's an old Federal Pacific, a fire hazard. Replacing it? $10,000. And the termites? They've been chewing this wood since the 90s. Structural remediation? At least $5,000. Rent is the ceiling of your costs. You pay $2,200 and not a penny more. A mortgage is the floor. $4,200 is the absolute minimum you will pay. If the AC dies in July, and in Texas it will, you're looking at a $15,000 surprise. Renting is freedom. You have a gym, a pool, and a concierge. If a recruiter from Miami offers you a $150,000 salary, you give a 30-day notice and you go. Chad is trapped. He can't sell his money pit fast enough. Ethan didn't listen to the FOMO. He invested the difference. 7 years later, his capital grew to over $200,000. Now he buys new construction, 10-year warranty, zero foundation drama. He won because he followed the logic, not the crowd.